Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Whichever the case may be, shaving is an integral part of a man's life and we should strive to make it as easy, enjoyable and pain-free as possible. In order to achieve that, using the right electric razor is key. It can really transform the whole shaving experience into something you look forward to and ultimately make it seem less of a chore. Regardless of your reasons for switching sides and joining the electric camp, you will be faced with the task of choosing your first electric shaver. And from my own experience, it can get pretty difficult. There are a lot of options out there and the available information is often conflicting. But fear no more, as in this article we'll address all the important aspects. And I'll even share some best of 3 of my favorite shavers that will make great choices for first-time users and beginners.
Number 3, Braun Electric Razor for Men, Waterproof Foil Shaver.
Built with Senso Flex swivel head that's dermatologically tested and adapts to minimize pressure and reduce irritation on sensitive skin. 3 flexible Senso foil blades that adapt to follow the contours of your face and are specifically designed for closeness and skin comfort. Upgrade with easy. Click the quick and easy way to upgrade your shaver with new accessories for all your grooming needs. Powerful Li-ion battery that fully charges in only 1 hour for 50 minutes of shaving time. 5-minute quick charge for 1 shave. Built to last, shaver is made in Germany and designed to last up to 7 years. This wet and dry shaver is 100% waterproof and can be used with foam, gel or even under the shower. Shaver head lasts up to 18 months. Series 6 electric razor, 4-in-1 smart care center that hygienically cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges your razor, trimmer attachments, travel case, cleaning brush, charging cord, and user manual. Longer lasting Li-ion battery. 1 full charge provides up to 3 weeks worth of shaving. 5 minutes quick charge is sufficient for 1 full shave. 100% waterproof for wet and dry use. Designed to shave dry, with foam, gel and in the shower. For a shaver like new every day, the Smart Care Center charges, cleans and lubricates with a simple press on a button.
Number 2, Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer 29-piece Shaver for Men's.
All-in-one trimmer for complete face, head and body hair styling, 29 pieces in. A premium toiletry bag for all your trimming needs. Groom, style, and trim the hair on your face, head and body using the included attachments: body shaver, detail trimmer, rotary nose and ear trimmer, standard metal trimmer, and extra wide hair clipper. Convenient. Our most powerful lithium-ion rechargeable battery delivers up to 6 hours of run time per charge and automatically adjusts for 110 to 240 voltage for easy charging while traveling. Fully washable stainless steel trimmer can be easily rinsed under the tap. 6 attachments, 15 guards. Styling tools: metal trimmer, foil shaver, nose and ear trimmer, extra wide hair trimmer, body shaver, 3 beard trimming guards, 2 body trimming guards, eyebrow trimming guard, 3 to 7 mm beard adjustable comb, body groom, hair clipping, facial.
Number 1, Novah Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmer Kit for Men.
Our Novah Barber Kit has been tested in some of the best barber shops around the world to do what they do best. Our Barber Clippers professional sets are being used worldwide to give precision cuts to the men who walk the walk. We have brought our most trusted professional cordless hair clippers to now be available to all. There are many men's hair clippers to choose from, but with decades on experience in working the world's best professionals, we have designed a men's clipper that is limitless. With 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, 4 trimmer guards and the sharpest blades on the market. It's all about the details. Our Novah wireless hair clipper set gives you the versatility to shape, outline and produce the most defined look in the palm of your hands. Take ownership of the way you look and feel with our premium hair cutting kit. Whether you're the local pro barber or your family's designated barber, our goal is to deliver the optimum experience. Our unique cross-etch handle allows you to be an artist without any strain or accidental slippage.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.